Wind your body out, wiggle your belly out. Keep on the going of the new style. Why not go up, why not go down? Bubble in the rock to the new style. I don't know if you let it go. I don't say why not so. I do the boom shakalaka, I do the dance all joke. I say the boom shakalaka, gotta rock your style. It's still big shot, I say the boom. Disciplination, give up your land and get a hold of the time. Enjoy your band, enjoy your band. Why not go down into the shakalaka? Get it on the ground, get it worry. Hey, you believe, even the going on the new style. Why not go up, why not go down? Bubble in the rock to the new style. I don't say why not to do. I know that bullshit. Like I do the guys out to do it in the air. Like you just don't care. Let them bubble it above. Beware. Not on the sound. Everybody everywhere. Make some weird dogs. Anybody's on the air. Bubble in the wind. And they gotta go here. Everybody sing on over the knee. Walk it hard.
Sa tito kong si Chris Lahorda, Roel Lahorda, saka si Randy Lahorda, lubos pong nagpapasalamat at buwabati po sa inyo ng maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon sa inyong lahat. God bless you po always. Muli po, Alan Mendoza dito sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. God bless you po always po. SI Family Maui Chapter. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Naway si Lord na lang po ang bahalang magpapalit sa lahat ng mga natutulungan nyo, ang yung buong miyembro. Naway lahat po kayo ay laging malakas para po mas marami po kayong matulungan. Si Lord na lang po ang bahala sa inyo. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng ating Panginoon.
Thank you very much.
Tahan. Siyasi ka naman. Agbyag.
Agbyag.
Come to the group, guys.
Associations, Maui Chapter,
Kaya't ko apo ti agyaman kada kayo, iti nagdakil nga tulong nyo para kada kami nga gasawa. Iti tulong nyo, iti anak mi, nga simina kada kami, kit agyamyaman ako na angkel ti adu kada kayo. Thank you po.
PCA?
Where the reason that we're gonna come to volunteer is because we get an mother chapter of PC was SI 61892, and our commitment is helping to the community.
Well, thank you so much for you and your members for helping us out with our food distribution today. Mahalo.
Okay, thank you too.
See you again. Yay!